The sound of celebration. Unveiling. Bells are ringing. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in English conversations, stories, or even songs. Bells are ringing. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add a beautiful layer to your English comprehension and expression. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase truly means. Firstly, it's essential to grasp the literal meaning of this phrase. When we say, bells are ringing, we're directly referring to the sound that bells make when they are struck or when they resonate. Bells can be found in various settings such as churches, schools, and town halls, and they serve multiple purposes, from signaling the time of day to announcing events. Key points. Literal interpretation. Bells producing sound. Common contexts. Churches, schools, celebrations, warnings. Moving beyond the literal, bells are ringing, is steeped in symbolic and cultural significance. Historically, bells have been used to mark important moments, celebrations, weddings, victories, and even to alert communities of danger or to call people to gather. Therefore, when someone uses this phrase, they might be hinting at a significant event or a moment worthy of attention and celebration. Key points. Celebration. Weddings, victories, or festive occasions. Alert. Warnings or calls to action. Community. Gathering people together. In a figurative sense, bells are ringing can also denote a realization or an awakening. It's like saying a light bulb went off in someone's head, signaling an aha moment or the arrival of good news. This usage is common in literature and everyday speech to convey moments of clarity, joy, or the beginning of a new chapter in life. Key points. Realization, signifying an important understanding or discovery. Good news, often used when receiving positive information. New beginnings, marking the start of something new or significant. Let's look at some examples to see how versatile bells are ringing can be. 1. In celebration, as they said, I do. The bells started ringing throughout the town, marking the joyous occasion. 2. As a warning, the bells are ringing, signaling a storm is approaching. It's time to seek shelter. 3. Figuratively for realization, when she finally understood the solution to the problem, it was as if bells were ringing in her head. These examples show the phrase's adaptability and richness in conveying various emotions and situations. We hope this exploration of bells are ringing has added a new dimension to your understanding of English expressions. Whether it's celebrating life's big moments, signaling important news, or marking a personal realization, this phrase carries a depth of meaning that transcends its literal sense. Keep listening for those bells in language. They often ring when something meaningful is happening. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Stay curious, and keep learning.